here today we're looking at this exciting opportunity for Key Stage 3 students, which really allows them to use hydrogen power to start powering vehicles, and it takes the potential of our students' investigative skills to another level.
Right now, we're disassembling it. We're going to be able to drive the car, I think.
Awesome.
And that's going to be super cool. Yeah, I'm super excited. Definitely more fun than writing in a book. Yeah, it's way better.
We're making a hydrogen car, and we just tested out the motor, and it worked because it was buzzing, but now it stopped because there's no more hydrogen to power it.
It was very fun. It was
Very enjoyable.
Different experience than normal lessons. We learned new things about how to assemble a hydrogen car, and it was just a very interesting lesson in general.
And it also creates great opportunities for us.